Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with your day one outlook for both fire weather and severe weather. We have an elevated fire weather risk today, an elevated risk for wildfire spread today that encompasses a tiny bit of south central Pennsylvania, western Maryland, parts of eastern and southeastern West Virginia, much of Virginia, and a tiny bit of northwestern North Carolina. So, that's where we have an elevated fire weather risk today. In synopsis, the upper trough in the Great Lakes will intensify as it moves eastward into the northeast today. A surface low will simultaneously deepen as it follows a similar track to its parent upper trough. A cold front will make fairly rapid progress through the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic. So, the deepening surface low moving into the northeast will increase the surface pressure gradient into the Mid-Atlantic. Ahead of the cold front, winds of around 15 miles per hour are possible near and east of the Blue Ridge. There still remains some spread and guidance as to how low relative humidity will fall, given at least some impact from upper-level clouds. However, downslope warming should be sufficient to reduce relative humidity to 25 to 35%. Elevated fire weather is possible within areas of modestly dry fuels. So, that's your day one fire weather outlook. Remain vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries, a cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fire can start and spread quickly. So, and please avoid outdoor burning. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas, okay? Please avoid outdoor burning, because all it takes is one little spark to cause a fire. And do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, whether or not they're lit. Because one, that's littering. Two, just one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. Okay? So, anyway, and make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, otherwise it could cause a trash can fire. So, now to the day one severe weather outlook. There are two marginals today, one covering northwestern California, western Oregon, and far southwestern Washington state. Our second marginal today covers northern Pennsylvania, the very far extreme northwestern tip of New Jersey, much of New York State, southern Vermont, far southwest New Hampshire, all of Massachusetts, all of Rhode Island, and all of Connecticut. Cities in today's marginals include Boston, Massachusetts, Portland, Oregon, Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, and Providence, Rhode Island. So, going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses northwestern California and western Oregon. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Portland, Oregon, Salem, Oregon, Eugene, Oregon, Beaverton, Oregon, and Hillsboro, Oregon. Going to today's wind threat, there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, one covering far southwestern Washington state, western Oregon, and northwestern California. The second 5% wind risk today covers northern Pennsylvania, far northwestern New Jersey, parts of New York State, southern Vermont, far southwestern New Hampshire, most of Massachusetts, all of Rhode Island, and all of Connecticut. The 5% wind risk areas today include Boston, Massachusetts, Portland, Oregon, Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, and Providence, Rhode Island. Now to the hail threat, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering far southwestern Washington state, western Oregon, and northwestern California. The 5% hail risk area today includes Portland, Oregon, Vancouver, Washington, Salem, Oregon, Eugene, Oregon, and Gresham, Oregon. In summary, isolated severe thunderstorms are possible through the day along the western Oregon and far northern California coastal region. Strong, potentially damaging wind gusts may accompany the stronger showers or low-top thunderstorms that develop over parts of the Northeast. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even though they're only marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. And I will have my Day 2 severe weather outlook video this afternoon and my Day 2 fire weather outlook this evening. Take care.